Hi hair besties, my name is Josie Valet and I'm a part of the Schwarzkopf Professional USA Digital Artistic team, and today I want to show everyone how to achieve the salon worthy blowout in just under 30 minutes using my top 3 favorite styling products from OSiS. So come hang out with me and I will show you the steps. I am a strong believer that the power is in the prep. I like to break this down into 2 steps. The first one I'm going to use is OSiS Grip. Now, these pluses that you see here, that's what's going to let you know how much hold it has. So it has 4 crosses, 4 stars, whatever you want to call them, and that's going to be a lot of hold. I'm going to apply that right on to the root area, just like this, and my hair is fine. So what happens to me is I get a lot of split right here, so that's where I like to apply the most mousse. OSiS Grip, oh, it smells so good and it's super conditioning. Like, it doesn't have that grit feeling to it. It's actually, all these products from OSiS are quite moisturizing. Okay, hair friends, so now that we've applied that mousse onto our root, I'm going to be applying OSiS Glow Smooth and Shine onto my ends. This is gonna give it some moisture, and what I'm gonna do is also mix it in with my OSiS Grip. And this is what's going to get the ends of my hair to really hold that blowout or that curl. So just like this. It smells so good. The scent is like super, you can just see the shine on my hands too. So what I love about it is, like, you know, we're so obsessed with skincare that we don't realize hair should actually be, you know, a form. You should be applying your hair products just as you would be applying your skin products. And that's gonna nicely hold the shape. All right, so we're gonna start blow drying. Wow. Okay, so that's just from my blow dryer. You can already see how much volume I have in my hair, and my hair looks super soft and it doesn't look like gritty. I can run my hands through it. I love it. So I already got so much volume and I didn't even curl it yet. Okay, so now we're gonna move on into curling. Now that I'm done blow drying and perfecting and everything looks great, before I go and use the final hairspray, I like to go in with the OSiS Dust It. I like to kind of just sprinkle it onto my fingers so you can kind of see it right there. It's super lightweight, but I don't like to put it all on my head right away. So what I like to do is just put it on my fingertips. It kind of feels cool. It's got like a cool feeling to it. And then I kind of like to just run it under my hands. That way it's not super messy and it's not getting everywhere and in areas that I don't want it to get onto. And the more you play with it, the more it's gonna grow. So now you can kind of see, like, I've been playing with it for a little bit and you can see like that nice airy texture volume that I'm getting. And it's nice because throughout the day when my hair is flat, I can just go in and give it like a good shake, bring it back, and look at that volume that I got from Dust It. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at, guys, I can run my hands through it. It's still workable, it's still moldable. It looks amazing. I'm so obsessed. All right, hair besties, our time has come to an end. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today as I recreate the salon-worthy blowout at home in just under 30 minutes using my favorite OSiS products. We did 3 today. Or I guess we did 4. I just love the product so much that I couldn't help myself. If you want to see more of me, you can head over to my channel, YouTube/Josie Valet. And if you want more information or more styling videos from the OSiS line, you can head over to Schwarzkopf Professional USA's Instagram or YouTube, TikTok, their social outlet. All the info is on there for you guys. Have a great day.